Hi, I'm Brent Durand, underwater photographer and sea life ambassador. In this video, we're going to show you how adding a light to your GoPro, Insta360, or DJI Action camera will bring vivid color into your underwater video footage. Sea Life Sea Dragon makes perfect lighting kits for your action camera, including powerful yet easy to operate lights, trays, and grips to hold the camera stable, and even arms to help you position the lights for best results. In this video, we'll test Sea Life's new Sea Dragon 2300 photo and video light. It's easy to use, it's compact, and it's sold as a complete kit like this, so you're ready to go. It's also available for purchase as just the light head itself. The Flex Connect tray and handle systems are extremely easy to use. They assemble quickly and securely and disassemble for rinsing and packing just as quickly. Sea Life designs these Sea Dragon lights with a separate replaceable battery, which means you can swap the battery every dive or two. That means you can film all day without needing to set the light aside to charge the entire unit. Just swap the batteries and you're immediately ready for the next dive. These lights have a runtime of an hour or more at full power, and the new Sea Dragon 2300 has an impressive 80+ minutes of full power runtime. All Sea Dragon lights feature a wide 120-degree beam that's ideal for shooting underwater video. The lights are categorized by their lumen count or power intensity. The Sea Dragon 2300 features 3 brightness levels and is sold with the grip and the micro tray. This kit is everything you need to get started and is very affordable for a high-quality, high-performing underwater photo video light. So, do underwater lights really improve your action camera footage? The answer is yes. The only condition is that you need to be shooting within the range of your lights, which is about 1.5 meters or 5 feet from your subject. Sea Dragon lights have that wide beam angle that matches the shooting angle of action cameras. However, if you need an even wider angle, simply use the Sea Dragon double tray and use 2 lights and you can illuminate a much wider scene in front of you. The other nice feature of a wide camera and beam angle is that you'll be able to get close to your well-lit subject and still capture plenty of captivating background. To help position the light at the angle you want, you can add 1 or 2 of these optional Flex Connect arms that bend easily to help you achieve the perfect light angle for your subject. Let's look at some underwater video. These clips were shot with the GoPro Hero 12 Black and Sea Dragon lights. And here are a few clips shot with the Insta360 Ace Pro. And finally, here are some clips shot using the DJI Action 4. The results speak for themselves, and the simplicity of the Flex Connect system makes Sea Life the perfect light for your GoPro or other action camera. Learn more at sealife-cameras.com.